So students should no longer need to log into PowerSchool in order to access their Pearson Realize products. So if your students are trying to get into American History for middle grades, Digits, or Envision, or Reading Street, there should be a tab when they turn on their Chromebook in the morning. One of their tabs should be Pearson EasyBridge. So they should just be able to click on that. And since they're already signed in to their Chromebooks, they're already signed into Google, and since EasyBridge is now Google single sign-on, they won't need to sign in anywhere else. If by chance they have closed out of that tab, they should have a folder here called student158.org bookmarks. They can click there, and you can see the EasyBridge is underneath here. Once they click on that, it's going to bring them right into Pearson EasyBridge. Their products will be here. Otherwise, you can see that I can click over here to Pearson Realize to get into it. If by chance they don't have that folder here anymore, they can go to this over here to find it. Otherwise, they can click on the settings and go to bookmarks, and that folder should show up in here. If by chance they do click on that Pearson EasyBridge and it defaults to the Pearson Realize login, you're going to need to clear out their browsing history. And to do that, click on their settings here, go to History, click on History, and then you're going to clear browsing data. Make sure those 4 boxes are checked, and then click Clear Browsing Data. If you need help with any of this or it's still not working, please reach out to your instructional coach, and they should be able to help you.